Welcome to another Cook With Me from the Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen. Just keep watching and see what I cook up on today. On my channel, I offer cleaning motivation, cooking motivation, and of course, decorating on a budget. And it wouldn't be PPL without vlogs and shopping hauls. And of course, always a great tablescape. So Mom and I are starting off with a 2-pound pot roast that we purchased from the Sam's Club. I find their pot roast to be the best. In our pot, we have about 2 tablespoons of oil. And our seasonings are garlic and herb, garlic powder, salt, onion, and black pepper. So yes, as I said, Mom and I are double teaming today's dinner. That's why you see 4 hands. So I'm playing sous chef to the real chef on the Johnson Ranch, and that would be my mom. I know you hear that sizzle. We want to get a nice sear on the outside of our meat. So to go along with our pot roast, I'm making white rice and cabbage. You already know we love cabbage here on the Johnson Ranch. To all of my subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And to all of my, oh my goodness, to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. So my cabbage have been washed and drained, and I like cooking it in this wok with a little spray of extra virgin olive oil. My seasonings for today will include salt, pepper, garlic and herb with sea salt and lemon. I pray that you are having an amazing day. And if you're new here, I'm going to take this time to simply introduce myself. I am Katrina, a daughter, a sister, a friend, a servant, and a pastor. And on my channel, I love sharing my lifestyle with you. So again, If you're watching for the first time, thank you so much for visiting, and I hope you will consider joining my Priceless Pearl YouTube family. So I will be cooking 1.5 cups of white rice. And I love using my rice cooker because a rice cooker is simply set it and forget it. Make sure to follow me on Facebook at The Priceless Pearl Life and on Instagram as Katrina Johnson. Now to the conclusion of this cooking video. Now I know you hear this pot. So I'm like, Ma, I need to plate. And she's like, girl, I'm ready to eat. Plate your food after me. So come on, take a bite with me. The full recipe will be in the description box below. And Mom and I, we did a bang-up job on this tag team dinner here at the Johnson Ranch. This food is really good, y'all. That's why I'm eating on camera. Make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment below if you love cabbage, rice, and pot roast as much as we do here on the Johnson Ranch. This beef is just melting in my mouth. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. And this has been another PPL Kitchen Edition. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.